Alright, this is... 44's no age to start again. The bulls were getting tough and he was never free of pain. Where others spent their winnings getting tanked, most of his got banked, saving for the farm. He never thought she'd wait for him at all. She wanted more than broken bones and trophies on the wall. But when he quit and finally got the farm, she ran into his arms, and now they've got a kid. He was star of all the rodeos, but now they're robbed him blind. That took 18 years, ramables and life on the line to get this straight at a decent herd, but now he spends his time pulling night guard. He told her that he'd got it for the game, only 303 with his initials on the frame, riding at a scabbard at his knee. Tonight he's gonna see who's getting all the stock. 7th one this summer yesterday. Half a year of profits gone, and now there's hell to pay. Cops say they know who, but there's no proof. The banker hit the roof and damn near took the farm. He was star of all the rodeos, but now they're off the line. Took 18 years, ramables and life on the line to get this sprayed at a decent herd, but now he spends his time pulling night guard. Here's a wire pumping by the road. Sees a blacked out Rio coming for another load. This time it's not one to take, but two. 2 minutes and they're through, and laughing in the cab. And here will lie the end of this tonight. And all the proof he needs is lying steady in his side. It may be just the worst thing he can do. He squeezes off a few and makes his call to town. He's the star of all the rodeos, but now they're off him blind. It took 18 years, ramables and life on the line to get this sprayed at a decent herd, but now he spends his time pulling life guard. He was star of all the rodeos, but now they're off him blind. It took 18 years, ramables and life on the line to get this sprayed at a decent herd, but now he spends his time pulling night guard. Thank you so much, Bird, for flying in here, soaking wet, and getting water absolutely everywhere. Say hi to the camera. You look like hell. Say hi. Alright. Thank you, Dolly.